Is affiliate marketing as we know it reaching its peak, or is there still room for game-changing innovation? As we delve into the current state of affiliate marketing, it's clear that it's a dynamic and competitive landscape. Marketers are constantly battling for attention, grappling with the challenge of tracking performance and optimizing campaigns. In the vast expanse of digital space, every click, every conversion, every sale counts. But amidst the increasing competition and the ever-evolving algorithms, one might ask, how can I stay ahead of the curve? The answer could very well lie in the realm of artificial intelligence. Imagine having a tool that not only automates mundane tasks but also provides insightful data analysis, enabling you to optimize your campaigns effectively. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. AI's potential to revolutionize affiliate marketing is immense. In this fast-paced digital marketing realm, those who adapt will thrive. And the next frontier, artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is not just a buzzword. It's a powerful tool that's changing the face of affiliate marketing. Imagine a world where repetitive tasks are automated, freeing up time for strategic thinking and creative innovation. That's the magic of AI. It doesn't stop there. AI has the ability to dive deep into vast amounts of data, uncovering insights that would take humans countless hours to discover. This means more precise targeting, ensuring your affiliate links reach the right audience at the right time. And let's not forget optimization. AI can continuously tweak and adjust your campaigns for optimal performance, leading to increased revenue. It's like having a super smart assistant who never sleeps, constantly analyzing, optimizing, and improving your affiliate marketing efforts. The future of affiliate marketing is not just about links and promotions, it's about harnessing the power of AI to make smarter, data-driven decisions. Are you enjoying the video so far? We bet you are. The power of AI in affiliate marketing is truly groundbreaking, and we're sure you're eager to start harnessing this power for your own affiliate marketing efforts. So here's what we propose. If you're ready to dive into the world of AI and affiliate marketing and want to receive a comprehensive Getting Started blueprint, simply comment yes below. This blueprint will guide you through the basics of AI and affiliate marketing and help you kickstart your journey towards more efficient and effective marketing. This is your chance to step into the future of affiliate marketing. Don't let it slip away. Don't forget to comment yes below. But don't just take our word for it. Let's dive into a real-life example of how AI is changing the game for affiliate marketers. Consider the case of Jane, a savvy affiliate marketer. Overwhelmed by the amount of data she had to process daily, Jane turned to artificial intelligence. She used an AI tool to automate repetitive tasks, freeing up her time to focus on more strategic aspects of her work. The AI tool was also able to dissect and analyze her performance data, revealing trends and insights that had previously eluded Jane. With this newfound knowledge, Jane refined her marketing campaigns, optimizing them based on the AI's analysis. The result? A significant boost in her conversion rates and a notable increase in revenue. Jane's story isn't unique. Many affiliate marketers are harnessing the power of AI to supercharge their marketing efforts, achieving remarkable results. As you can see, AI isn't just about the future, it's making a difference right now, today, in the world of affiliate marketing. So, are you ready to take your affiliate marketing efforts to the next level? Imagine a world where your affiliate marketing strategies are not only efficient but also precise and profitable. This might seem like a distant reality, but with the power of artificial intelligence, it can be your present. By exploring AI tools, you can automate mundane tasks, analyze vast amounts of data, and optimize your campaigns like never before. Think about the potential benefits you could reap from this. Improved efficiency means less time wasted and more time dedicated to brainstorming and implementing innovative strategies. More precise targeting means your campaigns reach the right audience at the right time, leading to higher conversion rates. And of course, all of this translates into increased revenue for your business. AI is not just a buzzword, it's a game changer, a tool that has the potential to revolutionize the world of affiliate marketing as we know it. The future of affiliate marketing is here. It's time to embrace AI and transform your affiliate marketing efforts. Are you ready to seize the opportunity? Before we wrap up, we want to remind you that the future of affiliate marketing is here, and it's brimming with potential. It's time for you to seize this opportunity and transform your affiliate marketing efforts with the power of artificial intelligence. If you're ready to embrace AI and take your campaigns to the next level, we have something for you. A comprehensive getting started blueprint that will guide you through the process of integrating AI into your affiliate marketing strategies. Comment yes below if you want to receive this blueprint. Remember, the future is now. It's time to embrace it. So will you seize the opportunity? Comment yes below to get your blueprint. Thanks for watching.